Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the kind of videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today we have a very exciting video because we are collabing with two of my favourite people ever. We've got Luce from Luce Stevenson and Alex from Makeupwithalixkate, and we're actually collabing on the new Bright 2.0 Beautybay palette. Very excited. At this point I've lost my train of thought, always do that, but yeah, let's just open the palette. This is what the palette looks like. It's one of their like newer packaging, because their old packaging used to be like matte black with like the word written across in the middle, but this is what the Bright 2.0 looks like. This is what the inside looks like. Now at first it was meant to be a collab between me, Luce, Alex and Jodie, but Jodie got a video up ASAP, so it's me, Luce and Alex. But definitely go and check their videos out. I'll leave them in the description. You're gonna love them, and you probably know who they are by now, because if you don't, then you've probably been living under a rock. Tell every time I sit down to film, I feel like I haven't filmed in a long time. I really love this, and we were gonna do it that we will do like our own row, but now we can do whatever, which means I can use the black. So let's get some swatches done. This is going to be fun. Okay, so we have the first row, which is all the yellow and oranges, and the second row, which is more neutrals with that pop of bright red and orange right there. They literally, these are just one swipe swatches. They have swatched brilliantly. Like, they're the best eyeshadows to swatch Beautybay. Like, you never, like Colourpop where there's never a dud shade, this is what Beautybay is like. So let's do the next two rows. This row just makes my heart happy. It is the greens and the blues, and the reason I'm happy is because of those greens. I think I might do a green look. Like, I'm in between the greens and the purples, but I love greens, and just look at those shimmers. I think it has to be a green look. So let's do the last two rows, which is purple and pink. Alright, last two rows, pink and purple. Oh, I don't know whether to do purple, I don't know whether to do green. I don't like doing one eye because I've got two different, one eye smaller than the other, and I just don't like doing that. But purple or green, people, purple or green. I do love a good green, but I do love a good purple. Oh, I'll figure it out while I wipe the swatches off. Let's start. So let's just take the black shade called Storm first. Let's try that and then see where my heart goes. Now it's funny, it kind of goes like a blue shade when you blend it out. It's got to be green. Let's go in with the shade Kale. So heavy. I feel like I need a little mirror. I'm going to bring that on the inner corner and then blend it over that black. You know what, without blending that still looks okay, but we're going to blend at the end. Then let's take the shade... Oh, I need to fill that in, hold on. Jungle there, and let's blend out the green a little bit more. Well, add to the green. And now let's go to Playground and just blend out the edges. Oh, I don't like that shade. And I've added it in there. Oh, alright, we're just going to keep going. Just going to have to do it on the end as well, aren't I? So that is the basis of this look. I'm actually just going to go back in, just keep adding pigment, blending out for a little while, and come back when the eyes are ready for a shimmer. I have done one round of blending. Now I want to go underneath with the black. Not sure how much I like this right now. Then I'm going in with the second shade we used called Jungle. And for the lid, I'm a bit confused whether I should use Nectar, which is like a gold that looks like it's got an orange undertone, or Cobra, which is a gold that has a green undertone. Now I know this is all green, but I like the look of Nectar. Like that fiery colour. Should we try that? Let's try that. That shade is gorgeous, literally. So I'm going to go off camera and blend even more, and I feel like maybe add a bit of like that yellow shade here called Canary to the end, and then we will be close to the end. I'm so excited. I see how this goes, but I'm loving it so far. I don't know, it's like Marmite. I'm either loving it or I'm hating it right now, aren't I? But right now I'm loving it, so let's see once I've done the other eye if I'm hating it. Final look is completed. I did use a bit of Beautybay on my lips, so we used the Beautybay lipstick in Pinch, lip gloss in Slippers. I did cheat and not use Beautybay lip liner because I love this lip liner. It's from the Revolution Lip Kits. This is in Stiletto. I love it. Then I used the Relove white liner. I'm actually testing a little dupe video of the Rare Beauty blush and the blush bomb from Revolution, so head over to my TikTok for that. Highlight, I used the Amrezy Amazon dupe, which is the Hojo one. Still haven't got the Amrezy one. How crazy. But this is the finished look. I am boiling. I didn't have an inner corner highlight, so I had to use the highlight on my face as an inner corner highlight because none of these I felt like matched the tone I was going for. But I'm absolutely in love with this palette. I feel like palettes are not disappointing me so far, and it's because you can do a lot with them. This bright palette I think retails for £23, but there was a discount. I think I got 25% off and I got it for like £17, which for this is a bargain. Like, how many shades is in here? Oh, I just put my finger in it. 42 shades on this is insane. There's a big mirror in there, which I must admit gets very heavy when you're holding it up. So definitely go and check out Luce and Alex's videos. Jodie's already done her video. I'm still going to link that down below so you can go and check her video out and see what look they've come up with this. The palette blended like a dream. The shimmers worked really well. I love the colour stories because there is so many mattes in here. Like, you're gonna love it, love it, love it, love it. And I believe they released this because it's June, which means it's Pride month, so they released a bright palette, which I love. But yeah, I'm boiling, and I'm gonna cut this outro short because I'm sweating this makeup off. I hope you guys did like this video. Go and check my description box for their videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.